Naresh Networks is a fully owned subsidiary of Boeing company, and we primarily develop products around cyber security, and we try to detect any kind of malware or users who can be a potential threat to the system.
What we excel is we have machine learning capabilities, advanced machine learning capabilities, state models in order to identify these anomalies at tens of multiples of tens of gigabit speeds. And how we do that is we have a very optimized networking stack which runs on Linux, and we generate a lot of metadata. We have visibility into mobile applications, and because of this we get a lot of context around the events that happens in the network, and we correlate all of these things using multiple clustering and big data algorithms in order to infer certain the outliers that's posing a threat there even before the actual attack happens, and this kind of helps the analyst to contain the threat within the network.
ICSI as an organization which is in the role of playing a lead role in the area of information cyber security services. So as an organization, our main focus for 2013-14 is going to be in the area of security. We have tied up with this company called Breaking Point, and we have the capabilities of Breaking Point to deliver to customers a whole range or a plethora of attacks and simulations using this appliance. So the organization is definitely headed towards a portfolio which is going to be mainly focused in the area of security and cyber range.
We are a reputed company which is associated with the Rapid 7, where we are marketing some leading cyber security products. And the two major products that we have got, first one is Nexpose. Nexpose basically deals with vulnerability analysis. This provides a complete end-to-end solution as far as vulnerability analysis is concerned, which goes through the complete cycle of detecting, recording, and thereafter providing solutions as far as computer security is concerned. The second product that we have got is Metasploit. Metasploit is one stage further, where we actually get into penetration testing as far as the cyber products are concerned. And this is a product which is able to make an impact to check out your systems as far as the vulnerability is concerned before your adversaries can get onto it. So therefore, the complete solutions provided by ESET Forte in the form of Nexpose and Metasploit are providing a holistic kind of a solution as far as computer security is concerned.
SecPod is basically an information security product company based out of Bangalore. We have recently announced a product called Saner. It's a vulnerability management product bundled with remediation. Saner helps you fix the vulnerabilities that exist on the endpoints. So basically, it'll do a scan of for all those vulnerabilities, and it'll remediate those vulnerabilities along with the device hardening measures that needs to be applied. If you look at the current industry scenario, antivirus is not enough, and we need to apply defense in depth strategy in order to safeguard our assets. A vulnerability management product provides that first level of defense that is required for organizations.
Yeah, my name is Monish Stern. I'm working for a company called Checkmarks, as you can see over here. We are pleased to work in India because India is a great IT hub for the whole world. India develops a lot of software and a lot of web applications. What Checkmarks does is actually scanning code to make sure that the web applications are properly sanitized. We have a patented technology, we are using it all over the world, and we have a lot of partnerships set in India itself. What the product does is, by scanning multiple languages automatically, we will detect all of the vulnerabilities that are embedded within those applications, and we will provide the developers with the ability to mitigate the application so that the company's web application will be very well secured. The way it is being done is by scanning any kind of code in just one type of installation, which is very simple. You upload the code, it can be uploaded right from the developer's desktop, scanned, and you get the results. Once you get the result, you can easily fix it. The results may have a small number of false positives. Those are also easily maintained or handled by the developers. This is a great example of an application that was scanned by the Checkmarx product. The Checkmarx product detected 54 vulnerabilities, typed high-risk vulnerabilities defined by CWE, Common Weakness Enumeration. These are of the SQL injection type. Now, typically in other products, you will be handling each one of those individually. So you have 54 vulnerabilities to handle individually. The additional vulnerabilities can be hundreds. And if you're going to do it manually, one at a time, you will be spending a lot of time. So what Checkmarx did over here is, once again, part of its patented technology, is to get you all of those vulnerabilities mapped together onto like a GPS. And within the GPS, Checkmarx pinpoint in the red nodes what are the nodes for you to mitigate. If you mitigate these nodes by mitigating one node, you usually manage to mitigate multiple vulnerabilities. So for instance, if I mitigate one specific node and I manage to get rid of 20 or 25, my job is much easier, and I'm delivering a much better service to the organization that I work for.
We are actually very happy that we came to Nullcon this year. This is actually our first year and we got a fantastic response.
Nullcon gives you the opportunity to meet people at various levels in the security 7-layer model that you can actually call it, and it also exposes you to a variety of technologies and organizations in the area of hacking, in the area of security. And the seminar itself is a great revelation because there are so many things that you come to know in terms of what's happening in industry.
Nullcon International Conference, which has been held here, is a good platform where very innovative minds of the country come and collect. And therefore, we felt it appropriate to bring our product here and showcase it to everybody so that people can benefit from the kind of work that we are doing in ESEC 40.
The conference and actually invest in India is just what I said earlier. We believe in the Indian industry. Indian industry is the hub for all of the IT in the world. Also, you have a lot of talented people over here, and when we are working with these people and they realize and recognize the value that we bring them in fixing and creating clean applications to their customers all over the world, mainly I would assume in the United States, they get better results, they get better appreciated by their customers.
The response has been good and the support has been good. Other than that, I think I would want to say that we would want to come back in the next year's edition as well.